Hello everyone. So in last 2 days, whatever we have covered, I have got some feedbacks from other students that things are going fast, and as many of people joined yesterday, so they want me to explain once again how to install and all those things. So in first 30 minutes, we'll try to do that. Okay, because I don't want anybody to feel like they are lagging behind. Okay, so is there anybody who has not installed Power BI till now? Please raise your hand. Is there anyone who has not installed Power BI till now? Yes. So you can share your screen, please. Quickly share your screen. I'll help you. विकास तुम्हारा हाइट है ना अच्छा खासा, बटन दबा दो प्लीज, वो लाल वाला बटन. The one who has raised hand, please quickly share your screen so that I can help you install. Is there anyone else who has not installed Power BI? They can.
Hi, can I share my screen?
Yeah, please share.
Yeah. Is it visible now?
Yes, yes, it's visible. You have to go to downside search box, bottom, beside this Windows button. Type there Microsoft Stores. There you have to type
Yes.
Power BI Desktop. Click on Get.
Okay.
Are you in good Wi-Fi connection?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I will show you one more way. Just go to Google.
Yes.
Type there Power BI Desktop download. Click on the first link. Here download button is there. Second option. Yes. Download. Go to that previous screen in the Microsoft Store. So it's still loading. Go back there. Yes. See how much it has downloaded. See, there are two ways. Any one you can follow, guys. If this Microsoft Store is not working quickly, it's not responding, then you can go to this. Meanwhile, I am showing you both the ways. No, no one has to do it. Both of them. Any one you can follow. Like if Power BI Desktop here in Microsoft Store is taking time, so you can go to Google and download manually from there. So this one is getting downloaded. So you can go to store and stop there or close that Microsoft Store window because it's taking time. We don't have that much time to invest.
Okay.
Now got downloaded.
Can I select the language?
Yeah, English. Yes. Go to next. So everyone, those who have joined yesterday or today, please focus because I'm revising last 2 days class. Few of you were feeling that it's going fast. I got that feedback from the management people. Though I tried to go very slow. Offline people are telling go fast. Online people are telling go slow. So I have to find out the middle way. Yes, विकास कैसे जा रहा है? स्लो हो रहा है, फास्ट हो रहा है? सही है. डर के मत बोलो यार, जो है वो बोलो. ठीक है ना? पक्का. कुछ गलत हो रहा है तो गलत है बोलना है. टेंशन नहीं लेना है.
Can I
Next.
click on?
Yes, click on next. Accept. Next. 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 Install. One by one, all of you, show me yesterday's homework, guys. कल का होमवर्क किया कि नहीं? अच्छा, कल आए थे ना? मैंने देखा था तुमको. एक्सेल में आया था. अच्छा, तो पावर बीआई डाउनलोड किया? डाउनलोड कर लो ना. इंटरफेस तुमको फिर अलग दिखेगा, समझ में नहीं आएगा. समझ में आ रहा है तो ठीक है, नहीं आ रहा तो फिर तुमको अलग से बताना पड़ेगा. Done homework? Yesterday you were absent. You were not offline. Okay, okay. Recording was not there. You are telling like. You don't have friends. He is not helping you. But once you are done in the class, why you need the recording? Once again, recording is like if for 1 week, 2 weeks you are not unable to recall how to do, then at that time you have to see the recording, right? When you were present offline, so once again going home after only just 2 hours, you need recording. इतना भी याद नहीं रहेगा क्या? We have seen only few points, right? Minute, small points. You don't use silly reasons, guys. Easy, it is very easy. Easier than Excel. Today you will do and go home. Okay? Don't go home until you do. What about others? कर दिया? Only one? I told 5 minimum. कितने किया? 5 किया? Very good. See, practice is important because clicking button clicks it is. Today you clicked, you feel it easy, you are taking it lightly. After 1 week, you will not be able to do it. That's for sure. But on the same day itself, if you do it for 5 times, you will never forget it. Pallavi, it is taking too much time.
Yeah, I have checked the internet, but it's good. Maybe because of the screen sharing.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's done. Not still it's loading. Can I
Finish.
click on finish?
Yes.
Is it done?
Yes. On WhatsApp, I have shared one data set. Please download it fast.
Okay.
It's downloaded.
Yeah.
Now see how to connect the data source. You have to open a blank report. Now here are options by default present.
Okay.
Above option is there get
Get data.
data. Don't click wait. See get data is there. Next to that is Excel data.
Excel workbook.
Now as it is given by Microsoft, Excel is also by Microsoft and Power BI is also by Microsoft. So he is giving a separate option for Excel workbook. Getting it? Giving more priority to Excel. Like that it is. So as you know that data is Excel data, you can directly click on Excel workbook or you can click on get data. Click it. Now Excel workbook. So the same option was present just next to get data. Click on sample superstore, open. वही है ना जो सामने है, ओपन बोल दो बस.
नहीं वो लास्ट मंथ का है.
क्या नाम है क्या है उसका? सैंपल सुपरस्टोर. वही ले लो कोई बात नहीं.
ओके.
From this we want orders table. Click on orders. So after this click on load. You have to click on that white box. Until you click on that white check box, see orders you selected, right? Orders.
Yes.
Next to that name white check box is there. You have to click on that check box.
Where it is? This one.
ऑर्डर्स जहाँ पे अभी आपने क्लिक किया ना, उसी के बाजू में व्हाइट चेक बॉक्स है. हाँ, once you select that, then you can load it. Getting it?
Yes.
Now see the data section. You got the orders sheet. It will take few seconds to load.
Can I drag and drop?
No. You just have to click on that drop down of orders. See orders drop down. Yes. So this many columns are there in my order sheet. Okay. So this is how we will open the Power BI and load the data. Is that clear? Pallavi?
Yes, yes.
Fine. Now we can stop sharing. This
Okay.
much we have done. We have created one chart that we are going to do it once again today. Because DP तो बहुत सही लगा. ऑनलाइन इधर कनेक्ट किया है क्या? ये आप ही हो गया यहाँ पे. हमारा डीपी दिख रहा था अभी मुझे. Fine. Let us start now. So last 2 days, I don't know, somehow it was not getting recorded. So today the recording is going on good. So let me tell you what we have seen on the first day in 5 minutes. We have just read these sheets, these pages we have read. We have seen what is Power BI. It is well explained here. I have told you in layman language. Here is the definition which you will deliver in the interview. Is that clear, everyone? Whatever is mentioned here, that are terms to be delivered in the interview. Okay. Now I told you that Power BI desktop and service is there. What we have downloaded is desktop. By giving our official email, will be connecting to service. That we are not going to do right now. We are going to learn how to work with desktop. Getting it? Because all the working part will be done in the desktop itself. How to create the formulas, functions, okay, how to create the charts, how to create dashboard, how to use Power Query. All these things we are going to do in desktop just now, which we downloaded. Getting it, everyone? So after doing all these things, the sharing part, collaboration with, let us suppose I am the manager, I want to show whatever I have done to you all. So I'll be sharing with Power BI service. Is that clear, everyone? So this much we have discussed in last 2 hours, and I have done that very slowly. Is that done? I just asked you to read this, then I explained you this. Nothing else I have done. Okay. Still, anybody want any clarification? Can we go ahead, guys? Anybody, please? You can share the things with me. No need to tell to the management that sir is going fast, sir is going slow. Okay, you can share with me. So what practically we have done yesterday in the class, let us see that. Let us look at this exercise part. Everybody focus now. I hope my screen is visible. I will delete this. So yesterday what we have seen, that is column chart. Okay. So column chart have vertical bars. Okay. So we have x-axis and y-axis. We have learned this x-axis, positive x-axis, positive y-axis, negative x-axis, negative axis, quadrant system. 4 quadrants will be there. That we have learned in our 10th standard. Yes or no? So using that, let us make a column chart. What I have selected? I have selected this box. This box is named as stacked column chart. Right now we are just making a normal column. Stacked column we are going to make. So this box I have selected from this panel. All these charts are present in this panel. From that I have selected column chart. Now as soon as this part is selected, here some options are visible. If you click outside, now this selection is gone. Now the option also are gone. If these options are not visible, you have to click on this chart once again. Then only the option will be shown, because it means that you have selected this box. You are working with this box, which have some border right now. If I click outside, now the selection is gone. That is understood. If you want to do some changes for this, you have to click on this box. That is for column chart. Clear, everybody? Now it wants x-axis and y-axis. So in x-axis, we will be putting names or distinct attributes. What are the 3 distinct attributes in category? Furniture, office supplies, and technologies. While seeing the data, we have seen that. See, in this category, where it is, category दिख रहा है? here. See, when I click on this drop down, there are 3 distinct values: furniture, office supply, technology. Yes or no? In subcategory, I have 17 distinct categories: accessories, application, arts, binder, bookcase, chairs, copiers, envelope, fasteners. All these are subcategories under the category. See, this 3 category. Let us suppose this 3 category, one of that is technology. Let us see what subcategories are under technology. Now, by seeing these names, you won't be able to understand. I know the data, that's why I'll be telling you. Machines, okay, appliances, another is furnishing, I guess, or fasteners, phones. Phones will be there in the technology. So these 4 attributes are present in technology. Now see, let's go back to this report view. This is data view. Here I can check my all the data. See, this is sales. This is product name. Under that subcategory, this product name will be there. Category, under category, subcategory, under subcategory, product name. So each product will be sold for this much amount and this much quantity, this much discount, this much profit. All these things are mentioned here. This is my data. Using this data, I'll be making the chart. So I've selected category. In y-axis, I'll be selecting one of this. If I want to see sales versus category, I'll put sales. If I want to see profit versus category, I'll put profit. So using this, I can understand who has given me maximum profit, who has given, bolo bolo, technology has given me maximum profit. सबसे ज्यादा मुनाफा किसने दिया है? टेक्नोलॉजी. सेकंड टू दैट इज कैटेगरी. थर्ड furniture. Okay, now if I want to see according to the subcategory, I'll be putting subcategory here. So see who has given me maximum profit? Copiers. Loss, who has given? Tables. Getting it? Now here this is legend. Legend will give color according to the attribute which I kept here. So if I put category in the legend, I'll get different colors according to the category. So looking at this, I can understand in technology who all are there: copiers, phones, accessories, and machines. Copiers, phones, accessories, and machines. Just make this much, everyone. First chart we are making like this: sum of profit by category and subcategory. So this category is giving me color, subcategory giving me different columns, profit is giving me length of the column. Let me check, the recording is still going on. Yes, it's going on. It's a request to all, please don't click on the record button. If you click from your side, here the recording will get stopped. So please don't mess up with this. Everyone else is getting annoyed with that. No one will get the recording then. So everybody, once again, I will tell you how to create. Everyone has to create. Those who are done yesterday, them also. Take the column chart. Here in the x-axis, put subcategory. Take subcategory, drop it. Take sales or profit. So what name came? By default name, profit by subcategory. In the legend are used to give the color to the bars. I am putting category. So see, 4 different colors, 3 different colors given to all the bars. Red color stand for technology, means this subcategory goes to this category. Dark blue is for office supplies. These all subcategories goes to office supplies. Furniture, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bookcase, tables, furnishing, chairs are belonging to furniture. Once done with this, let's do some formatting. See guys, yesterday also we have done the same thing. I am repeating today. So please focus on that. On one chart we are spending almost 2 hours. Please don't take it lightly. So giving Times New Roman as the format. This is under x-axis. This is the x-axis. This is y-axis. Sum of profit is y-axis. Subcategory is x-axis. So doing the changes in x-axis, increasing the size, giving the color. Let me give a bold color. See it become red. Then title. This subcategory is the title. So whatever changes I will be doing here will reflect to this x-axis title, that is subcategory. Making it bold. Everyone has to do. Those who have done yesterday, them also have to follow. Because are you doing it? Then here now I have selected what? Y-axis. Selected y-axis. Inside that I am giving value. Inside values, see these values are getting bold. You can see, observe, increasing the font, making it dark black. So this has become dark black. Units, see, thousands, millions, billions, trillions. Right now it is giving in K, means 1000. If I click on million, it will be showing in the million. If I click on thousands, it will be showing in thousands. I'm going to the title. This sum of profit will get affected. Clicking on the bold, increasing the size, going to the color, making it orange, or which should I give? Green. Giving green. Once again, I'm telling guys, whatever we have done in last 2 days, today we are just repeating it. So these are legends. So see, whatever changes I'm doing here, this legends will get affected. Top left, it is in top left. If I make it bottom right, see they came in the bottom right. If I make it center right, center right. If I say top left stacked. If I say top right, so top right. So these are legends. I am just positioning them wherever I want it. Now the text, how this furniture is looking, that can be changed. Times New Roman. See the effect, increasing the size, bold, color for that. Let me give this. Let's not give color to it because they are pointing out the color. So let them keep black. They are pointing this color. Light blue means furniture. Dark blue, or what this color is, I'm bad at colors, office supplies. Orange stand for technology. So title, this category is the title. I can change the title. Now grid lines. This small dotted lines are grid lines. If I give color, see this color will be visible if I increase this. So these are what? Grid lines. These are horizontal grid lines. Vertical grid lines are not present here. Now columns. See, as I have given three different colors, so this legend are pointing out these colors. I can change this if I want this. So furniture, now it means dark pink. Red means office supplies. And light blue means technology. Spacing I can change. Right now, please focus on what I am doing. After this, I will wait for 5 minutes and you all have to do all this. Now these are data levels. It is off. Now making on. Off, on. Changes now I am doing in the data levels. Right now orientation is horizontal. If I make it vertical, so see this is now vertical. If I make it horizontal, these are now horizontal. Values. If I increase the size, bold, so these are all visible properly. What should be the color? Let it be white. Units, they are shown in K. I can show them in the millions. So the size is bigger, it is not shown here. Let them keep in K or make them auto. Decimal point. So 56.0 it will be shown if I increase the decimal point. See, I am increasing it. You all can see here in this tooltip. As I am increasing the decimal, the size is become bigger and it is not showing us. If I want to show this position at the top, see inside end, inside center, inside base, vertical, inside end, inside center, inside base, auto. So background, if I increase, if I give them background, let us suppose some white background I will give them. See this transparency, if I'm reducing the transparency, they will not be visible because the text is also white and the background is also white for them. Getting it? This is the background for the data labels. Total labels, total we have not done till now. Plot area background, I can give the image here. For me, I have this image background. I am setting up this background and giving the transparency. Please do it, everyone. What I have done, just I have gone through each option present in this. I have clicked each option present in this panel of visual. I have not done anything new. Those who are still not understanding, please try to come offline, online people. If you are not understanding online, try to come offline. We will help you because you are not speaking anything. You have to speak up if you are getting stuck at any point. If you just see the screen, most probably you might miss some points and you might be hesitating to ask. So here, when you are offline, I can see what you are doing in your laptop. Who is this Chaitra? Want to speak something? Chaitra? So if you are not speaking anything in the class, it is understood that you are all getting whatever points I am mentioning. Yes. Everybody show your screens. All you are done. Same what I've done here. Very good. Yes, next. Not done. Your name is Shiva. Sure.
Sorry, I had to watch the recording because I couldn't.
Very nice. So now we'll go for, I will remove the background for now. Now we'll go for this general. In general, properties section is there. This we'll see afterwards. We'll look out for title. Now what is the title? Sum of profit by subcategory and category. So this is my title. I can change the title. See, this is the title. I am converting this to Times New Roman. So this converted to the Times New Roman. Now increasing the size. Text color, let me give red or any other dark color. Background color for this, which will be suited. Yes. Center. So sum of profit by subcategory and sales. Then spacing. Divider. Let us see divider. Divider color. Let me give dark red. Solid. I'll increase this. So this is divider. Let me make it dotted. You see this divider is becoming dotted. Increasing the dot. Then let's see effects. Like right now background is white. If I make it background color, you see background color has changed. So this is the background. Then transparency you can affect from here. Now everybody look at the screen. Look at the screen. See right now this all is a sharp corners. Yes. See, and it is unselected. All the options are reset now. As soon as I select this, now these options are visible for me. So anytime you are seeing that okay options are not visible, make sure you are selecting this sheet. Going to format your visuals. Then in the general we have effects. Till here we reached. We have seen title, then till effects we have reached. Now here I am switching on the visual border. Black color, rounded corners I am increasing. Now you can see this point has become rounded. Okay. Now again going back to the general effects, shadow. On shadow, I can give different colors of shadow, and I can give which side the shadow should be there, inside or outside, and which corner the shadow should be. This is now bottom right. If I want top left, I can use top left. So see top left, the shadow is there. Then you can click center. So all the sides shadow will be visible. So according to your wish, you can see the shadow. Bottom left, see bottom left. By default was bottom right. So these options are general, means these options are same for all charts. Whatever charts we are going to learn in the upcoming classes. Okay, bar, column, pie chart, for all of them, these general options are same. But according to the visual options are going to change. So visual section will have different options according to the chart we are learning. Whereas general will have all the general formatting, which is common for all the charts. Is that clear? Repeat the sentence what I said. General visual options will be changing for all the charts because what particular chart we are learning, according to that formatting options will be there. Now in these charts we have column, in pie chart we have slices, round circles will be there, so that options will be present here. Whereas in general we have background color, shadow, so borders, so that options will be present here in the general. Is that clear everyone? This might be the question. What is the difference between the visual options and general options in the visual format? Format your visual options. There are two options, visual and general. What is the difference between that? Is that clear? So all of you have created this. Use the general. Show me. Given the shadow, visual border, visual border नहीं दिया. Yes. Very good. Okay. Fine. Visual borders given. Light border you are given. Fine. So can we now go to bar chart? Bar chart is a brother of column chart. You see, only light difference is there. Let me delete this, or let me add one more sheet. So what is this bar chart, right? We have taken segments and sum of sales. So similarly, if I take column and took here, what I'm doing, taking segment. Where is the segment? Here, segment in the x-axis and sales in the, where is this? Sales in the y-axis. So this is vertical. If I just click on bar, it become horizontal. See, making a column, then clicking on bar chart, it is just becoming horizontal. So x-axis is becoming y-axis and y-axis becoming x-axis. Is that clear, everyone? So it is just slight difference, column and bar. So in column chart, the attributes or categorical value you will be putting in the x-axis, and measures you will be putting in the y-axis. In bar chart, opposite of that. In y-axis, you will be putting categorical value, and x-axis putting numerical values. Is that clear, everyone? So now for this, as there is a slight change, all the options are same. What options you have in the column chart, same options you have for the bar chart also. So do the formatting, just try to make it like this. Everybody look at the screen and try to do these changes. Done? Anyone wants me to make it again? See, in the x-axis you have to put segment, in the y-axis you have to put segment, in x-axis put sum of sales. That's it. And you have to go to the formatting. And you have to click on each and every options and try what changes are there. This category, these things will be there under y-axis. These things will be there under x-axis. See, grid lines here we have vertical grid lines. See, vertical grid lines dotted. If I make it white, you'll be able to see. See, white dots you can see. This comes under grid lines. Bars, you can give different color for each. You might have little bit different options. So tomorrow we will learn stacked column chart, stacked bar chart. Okay. So yesterday we have seen column chart. Once again we have seen that today. And we have seen bar chart. So your homework is make 3 column charts and 3 bar charts at home. You can try if you are not sure what to take in the bar chart. So you can try taking, let us suppose, first you make bar chart for category versus sales. Then you can make it for category versus profit. This became 2 bar charts. Then you can take subcategory versus sales. Yes, subcategory versus profit. Then subcategory versus sales. So here itself you have created 4 bar charts. Getting it? What I have given homework? 3 bar and 3 column. Homework in the sense this you have to create and try to give the formatting like this. Getting it, everyone? So you are giving your time to make it look good. So invest your time now so that in the interview, if you get your laptop there, you should be quickly able to make it. Otherwise, clicking option is easy, but finding those options, because where they are, what I need to do, that clarity should be there in your mind. Right now, we are going step by step, clicking on each option and seeing what is happening. In that time, we have to be clear what I want to do. Background I have to change. I have to change the bar colors. I have to give changes in the labels, changes in the data labels. All these things should be clear for you. So things are easy. Only multiple clicking options are present. So only practice is required. So today's recording is there.